Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Jon Red Does Stuff. The next chapter on Jon Red Does Stuff is kind of weird because we have to stay home and stay safe, shelter in place. Know what I'm saying? But that's okay. You're like, I'm so bored staying at home. Don't worry, Jon Red's got you. We're gonna do stuff at home. I'm gonna show you how you're having a good time while you're sheltered in place. So, what do y'all say? You ready to do some stuff?
Hey, today on Jon Red Quarantine Stuff, we're gonna be emptying the dishwasher. I know that the dishes are clean because my roommate and I have a system. This thing, when the dishes are clean, we got Charlie up in the top and he says, dishes are clean. And when they're dirty, we have Linus. I feel like I can identify with him a lot lately. And he says dishes are dirty. But the dishes are clean, so let's empty the dishwasher. Okay, I'll start with the top shelf. This thing is a utensil. You use it for things. This goes in our utensil basket. This is a thermometer. Haven't had to use that on myself yet. I'm waiting for the day. Waiting for the day when we get our pay. Oh look, Tupperware. These things are made of plastic and they have lids. They go here. Let's see what else we have next. Next, we have a cup. This cup will go in here. This is my cup. My cups are on the right, so I put it on the right. Also, there is a bowl. This bowl is mine. I have the middle shelf for my bowls and plates. See how those bowls are the same? So I put it there so they can be together and not alone. Here are 2 plates. Oh look, more Tupperware and a jar. How the fuck does this thing work? Look, another utensil. Where do you think this goes? Hello? Where do you think this goes? That's right. And these are more of my roommate's things that go over there. Where is over there, you wonder and ask? Well, why don't I just show you? Follow me this way. On the other side, across from the kitchen, is a place where my roommate puts a bunch of things. I don't know where these go, so I always just put them where there's space. He can deal with it later. Oh cool, look. We're all done with the top shelf. This is where things get really exciting. This is where the other stuff is. Oh look. Here's one of these things. Wait a minute. There's 2 of these things. I wonder where I shall put these. Here's a good spot. Oh wow. This looks like it could hold things like... Oh look. Here's one too. A plate. More Tupperware. Here's a big fucking knife. Here's a bunch of things. See? Here's a pan. Here's the glass deal. Look, a plate, but it's square. Well, the dishwasher is all empty now. Let's not forget, remember, we have to turn our thing upside down so that Linus, that little piece of shit, is at the top. That way, my roommate knows these dishes are dirty. That concludes the